All I'm trying to say is she should be very careful. Now that she has gotten the license or been called to the bar, she shouldn't think that that is it. She can do whatever she wants to do. She can still promote LGBTQ when it is not legal here in Ghana. Because I know people who are lawyers and their law licenses have been revoked.
City. Nobody. Yeah. Nobody.
Ciao, hello, welcome to the Crooked Truth. My name is Melo and I am your judge here in this court. I may be hard sometimes, but trust me, I will tell you the truth without any fears and without any filters. Truth over emotions on here in this Crooked Truth court. So always keep in mind. I always give a disclaimer to my newcomers that no matter who you are, just be careful your case does not come before me in this court. If not, I will treat you like I treat any other person. So just be careful. Kankabi went out and again, he has a case that we need to look into. He just prompted me that there is a case that we treated before and now there is an update. So we need to treat that case. But before we go into the case, I urge everyone to remain silent before the court. Order in this court. So now let's see what Kankabi has for us. Anybody who has followed this Crooked Truth Court for a very long time, since we started, knows this girl. Yes, we once talked about this girl, about the issues concerning, her law licenses and so on. Now, this girl is an open lesbian. She is a lesbian and she advocates for homosexuality. She is also a content creator here in Ghana, and through her content creation, she lets everyone know her status when it comes to, whether being a man or a woman or her sexuality. You understand? That is who she is. So in the previous case, we talked about how she has been in the law school for all the years she needs to be, but afterwards, she has been denied the license or she has been denied call to the bar. So she couldn't become a lawyer just because she is an advocate for homosexuality. Yes, that is the case. Now, we talked about it. We didn't agree with the law. We didn't agree with the law school on why they didn't call her. Because some of us, we believe that your sexuality status shouldn't affect your call to the bar, shouldn't affect the education you had to be given the certificate or the license as a lawyer. So we spoke against that. Not forgetting, Ghana doesn't have a law to back those who are lesbians and gays. The LGBTQ community. Ghana hasn't gotten a law to support those people to operate legally. So even when we were condemning the law for not calling this girl to the bar because of her sexuality, we knew that in Ghana there is no law supporting homosexuality. That is one thing people should know. Now, this girl was cautioned. She was told to, follow certain procedures so that she could be called to the bar. That was for 1 year period. Now, she broke that and she came back to social media. She spoke to, she spoke to the media and said whatever she has to say. Things they said she shouldn't say. She came back to say it. So they postponed or they restricted her again in a form of a punishment. They didn't want to give her the call to the bar or her law license. Now, after 2 years, this girl has been called to the bar. she has been given the law license like you saw, just because she conformed to the rules and regulations of what the law association or law whatever told her to do. There is just one thing we need to learn about this. Yes, we congratulate her for now being called to the bar. This is a very good thing. But one thing that we should learn is that in every institutions, there are rules and regulations governing that institutions. We were only calling for her to come or to be called into the bar because we feel that rules and regulations in the institutions wasn't really favoring those kind of people. But she had to follow. She had to follow until homosexuality or LGBTQ is accepted in Ghana. You cannot openly promote it. You see, it isn't right. The law is against it right now in Ghana, and even an anti-LGBTQ bill has been passed waiting for the president to approve or sign. Then whenever you tell people you are LGBTQ member in Ghana here, you can be dealt with the law. Listen, if rules and regulations are given, just follow. Follow. Follow and get what you have to get. Don't be stubborn. This is what Ama Governor did. The girl we are talking about right now. She thought that she has to do whatever she has to do. She wouldn't listen to the law. She wouldn't listen to the rules and regulations, which was not right. The institution you are trying to enter, they have rules and regulations. They have a law governing them. So it was right that you had to, or you have to follow those rules and regulations and get what you want to get. Now, I think this is the open lawyer here in Ghana who has declared that she's a lesbian. I think this is the first time someone is doing that. Maybe I'm getting it wrong. If you know someone, just put it in the comment section. All I'm trying to say is she should be very careful. Now that she has gotten the license or been called to the bar, she shouldn't think that that is it. She can do whatever she wants to do. She can still promote LGBTQ when it is not legal here in Ghana. Because I know people who are lawyers and their law licenses have been revoked. They've taken the license from them and they are no more lawyers and now they are struggling. So if you feel now you have been called to the bar and you can do whatever you want to do, be careful, I'm a governor. Be very, very, very careful. Mind your words. Mind your utterances. Mind your movements. If not, your law license will be taken from you. It will be revoked and you will be useless. They will fight against you until they revoke that license, until they take that license from you. Yes, they do. That law institution, even though they are there to make sure people do the right thing, but trust me, there are also unscrupulous people in there who can do unscrupulous things, dishonest things, and cause harm to you. Ghana we dey. So never think that now you have the law license and you have been called to the bar and that's it. If you misbehave or do what they don't want you to do, then you will be in hell. Anyways, if you've watched till now, kindly consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you become part of the Strife family and the Crooked Truth Court. If previously you watched that case and now you are watching, leave a comment, let me know what you also think about what we are saying right here. If you are now watching it, you can also give your comments and tell me what you think about what has happened right now. Share the videos for others to also come watch and give their own opinion about this case. On here, we always strive for glory, we strive for success, we strive for travels, we strive for the truth and anything important. Always remember, truth over emotions in this court. Your boy Melody, I'll see you in the next court session. May all the courts rise.
No more. If you know make money, friends go dog you. Nobody self go love you. You first step up your hustle, cause one day you gonna make it. If you know make money, friends go dog you. Nobody self go love you. You first step up your hustle, cause one day, you